What would you do if a stranger messaged you on Instagram asking to travel with them? Would you go? This is what happened to me. CRAY messaged me asking to travel around Greece with him. And after a 10-minute FaceTime call, I just winged it and I was like, let's go, let's do it. 36 hours later, I was on a flight to Greece to meet a stranger that I had never met before. This is how the story goes.
Good morning everybody, it's 5 AM and I'm getting the flight today. My brother's taking me to the airport and I'm going to Greece to meet a stranger that I've met online. Let's see what happens.
Just got through departures.
Along with any bottles or other heavy items.
Hello, how you doing?
What is going on, brother?
How you doing?
You good?
Yeah. Oh.
Well, what do you have with you?
I've got these two bags.
We explored the city where CRAY lived and got to know each other. We planned to begin our journey the next day, travelling around Greece, first heading to the island of Zakynthos.
Crazy is this, I'm in a stranger's apartment who I only met a few hours ago and I'm literally sleeping in his apartment. Like, how weird is that? But we're going to Zakynthos tomorrow and it's quite a long journey to get there, but I'm so excited for it. I just hope he doesn't come and kill me in my sleep, but think positively.
Life is so weird. I'm traveling across the Greece with a random stranger I met online.
Thank you. We're just coming into Zakynthos right now and it looks amazing. Like, we're loving it.
We're loving it.
We love it. Zakynthos, we love you already and we haven't even touched the land.
Look how beautiful it is. Look.
We got up at the crack of dawn to watch the sunrise and start the day off in style.
It's not for normal people, it's only for crazy people. If you want to wake up. Heroes to Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, boy. Let's go.
Dude, we've just had an epic sunrise.
Yeah, let's go.
Literally out of this world. Good morning everyone. So we've just got to the shipwreck beach. What are you doing, man? CRAY, what are you doing?
Give me 5.
So we have just got to Kefalonia. The mosquitoes are coming.
One way to start the morning.
Zakynthos is taking us round for the next few days. Time for a swim.
You don't know my son! You don't know me!
Is a haunted village, so we're going to drive around and hopefully go into the abandoned village. Wow. Whoa. I've got a rock and I'm going to throw it in front and try and freak them out. What was that?
Don't run, man, don't run.
What was that? Yeah, that's me. But look at this view. These two boys are getting a tattoo with Wing It. How crazy is that? How you feeling, buddy? Feeling good. Feeling Wing It?
Amazing experience, and thank you for everything.
Say the phone. Wing It.
Wing It will change my life forever, and it's all because of you, so thank you again.
Let's do
We
this,
will
bro.
meet again.
So that is the story how I met a stranger online and travelled around Greece. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. I've got some epic travels coming up. I'm not sure where I'm going yet, but I'm going to Southeast Asia. I'm going to maybe Morocco, maybe South America. Guys, I cannot wait to travel again. So if you want to subscribe and follow me on my journey, please do that. Also follow me on Instagram. I'll leave it here and I'll see you in the next video.